In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Docs templates. By the end, you'll have a reusable document that others can copy without ever changing your original. This is perfect for recurring tasks like meeting notes, project briefs, or lesson plans. Start by opening Google Docs. You can create a brand new document or open an existing one that you'd like to standardize. Think of this file as the master version you'll reuse. If you're starting from scratch, give the page a quick scan for basics like margins, orientation, and fonts so everything looks consistent. Next, format the document so it clearly guides someone using it. Use headings for major sections like agenda, action items, or summary. Apply Google Docs' built-in styles instead of manually changing font size for each header. This keeps things uniform and makes it easy to update formatting later from the Styles menu. Add placeholders wherever you want people to replace content. A simple way to do this is to use brackets and short prompts, like insert date, attendees, or key decisions. You can make placeholders stand out by using a different color or italics so they're easy to spot, but keep the overall look clean and professional. Consider adding a header or footer with instructions, and keep any sensitive information out of the file so you never share it by accident. When the structure feels right, rename the document so it's clear that it's a template. Click the title at the top left and give it a helpful name like Meeting Notes Template or Project Kickoff Template. A clear title makes it easier for others to recognize and trust the file. Now it's time to share. Click the Share button in the top right. In the sharing settings, change the link permissions to anyone with the link and set the access level to Viewer. This keeps your master file protected so people can see it but can't edit it. Copy the link. Finally, share that link with your team and let them know exactly how to use the template. They should open the file, go to the File menu, and choose Make a Copy. That creates their own editable version without touching your original. Encourage them to rename their copy right away so it's easy to find later. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable Google Docs template, protected the master, and made it simple for anyone to use by making a copy.